Lepas habis uni, lepas korang grad, benda pertama yang korang kena fikir adalah untuk stabilkan diri korang dulu. Because the truth is, the first few years yang korang grad, that is when you will shape your whole 20s. You will be figuring out your career path and you mungkin akan tukar kerja. Mungkin akan penat kerja, mungkin akan rasa lost, akan burn out, and that is absolutely normal. Tapi, kalau korang nak survive this phase yang macam-macam ni, korang kena ada buffer. Apa yang korang perlu buat adalah simpan korang punya first RM10,000 and your first RM100,000. Honestly, that 10,000 tu macam sikit. Tapi, try untuk dapatkan dulu that first 10,000 and then your 100,000 in saving. Okay, kenapa kena dapatkan itu 10,000 dengan 100,000 yang pertama? Sebab money give you freedoms and option. Yes, money cannot buy happiness, but they do give you option. I repeat, bila korang ada saving, korang ada luxury untuk pause. Kalau korang penat, korang boleh take a break. And kalau korang rasa korang nak berhenti sekejap, you boleh buat semua tu. And kalau rasa nak tukar kerja pun, you boleh untuk pivot to a new path without panicking about the bills, about the commitment yang korang kena bayar. Sebab apa? Sebab korang ada this buffer, sebab korang ada all these savings yang boleh cover korang punya commitment. At some point, kita semua akan sampai satu tahap yang macam penatlah kerja ni, I nak try benda lain tapi duit I tak cukup. Komitmen pula takut tak boleh nak bayar. I nak cuti panjang, nak relax sebab otak I rasa macam sangat-sangat serabut tapi I tak mampu. The thing is, if you are broke, you don't have that choice. You tak ada choice yang orang yang ada saving ni ada. You ada duit, you boleh buat. Bila korang tak ada duit, korang tak ada saving, you are forced to stay even when you are mentally done, and that is not good, is it? But when you have the emergency fund, you have the saving, you have the buffer to fall back on. Your saving eventually become your breathing space. So in your early 20s, korang baru grad semua tu, tak payahlah nak self-reward sangat-sangat, nak healing sana sini, but focus on stabilizing your income. How to manage your money properly and build that first 10,000 first and then your 100,000. That's the foundation that give you power to decide your next move and not desperation. Yes, money doesn't buy happiness. That is true. But it definitely buys the freedom to pause, to restart. And that is something you will thank yourself for later. Okay?